Hello guys. So today we are here to solve this problem. This was one of the daily challenges of some of the previous days. So hello guys. So today we are here to solve this problem called maximum distance in arrays. Okay. So after long I am here, but it's okay. Old habits die hard. Okay. Once you are into this, you cannot leave this. So I am back and I hope I'll be, continuing for some days to come, definitely. So let's see this problem first, okay? This problem is maximum distance in arrays. And in this, we are given m arrays, okay? Where each array is sorted in ascending order. See, we are given m arrays, okay? And each array is sorted in ascending order. So means that, we are having m arrays and this array is under one another array. So we have list of list and this list of list in each list of this list of list is sorted in ascending order. So least element is at the 0th position and the largest element is at the, last index. And we have to pick two integers in two different ways. Each array picks one. So the restriction is that from each array, we have to pick one and calculate the distance. And the distance is modulus of a minus b, okay? And it is being asked that, we have to return the maximum distance. So when I first saw this problem, I thought it's, damn easy problem. And what do we need to do? That we need to, take the largest of this, you know, the incoming array of arrays, okay, list of list, and the smallest of that list of list, and return the distance, return the, modulus of, subtraction of that. So what I was thinking that, if I could do like this, list of integer, then sorted list is equal to arrays dot stream. Okay. And then on this arrays dot stream, what we are going to do, we are going to call dot stream, then flat map, and then we'll be passing this list colon stream, and then we'll call this sorted, okay, and then we'll call this collect terminal operation, and in this collect method we'll be calling collectors dot to list. So this will be giving us a sorted list, okay, sorted single list. And in this, what we will do that, we will go for the largest element. The largest element of this will be at the position sorted list dot get and sorted list dot size -1, okay, minus sorted list dot get of 0. So at index 0, the least element will be there, and at the last index, the largest element will be there. And we are just returning the difference of those. So this was my first approach, but there are obvious flaws in this approach. Let me first run this. So this is going to pass the test cases, I guess. Yeah, the sample test cases which are given is passing. So let me submit it. So this is not a, flawless approach. This is going to fail, but let's see, So the wrong answer is there. And see what we have done here, that we have, sorted this list. So if we sort this list, so first we have flattened it and then we have sorted this. So after sorting, we'll be getting 0, 1, 4, 5. So see, the smallest element is also from this array and the largest element is also coming from this array itself. We have not, the problem specifically says that, we can pick up two integers from two different arrays, not from the same array. So this mistake we are doing, if we see the test cases, the submissions that we have given, that, the smallest is also coming from the same list and the largest is also coming from the same list. So this is the mistake that we are doing, we have to take the smallest from the, uh, different list and, the largest from the different array. So it is clearly being mentioned, you can pick up two different integers from two different arrays. Each array picks one and calculate the distance. So this is clearly being mentioned. Now, to avoid this, what can we do? To avoid this, what can we do? So we will, just, this approach is not good to us. So what I thought that, if we are able to, go through this array of arrays. So first of all, what we will do that, we will declare one int global max. Okay. And let's make it as, since all elements are in the range, minus 10 to the power 4. So it's okay. So global max also we can declare as, arrays dot get of 0 dot. So we can declare this as, separate list. So let me declare one list of integer list. First list is arrays dot get 0. So this is the first list of this given array. And then in the first list, the last element will be the largest. So then get first list dot size -1 like this. Okay. And then what we will do that we will take this global min is equal to first list dot get. So the 0th element of this will be the global min. Okay. And now what we will do, that we will, since we have this, so we can just run through this. And also we will take int m. M is the arrays dot size. Okay. And then we can run through this array. Int I is equal to 0, I less than m plus plus. And then we will do we'll get this list. So already we have taken the largest, so we'll take this list of integer list is equal to arrays dot get of I. Okay. And we will check for int I of the list if I is greater than global max. We'll set this global max equal to I. Okay. And so we have to also take index of max. Okay. So we can take index of max is equal to -1. First of all, we are taking it as -1. And then we are taking this, and then index of max is equal to, so this index should be j, this also should be j, and this should be j, and this should be I. So this index of max is holding which list we are, which list is giving us the, okay, which list is giving us the max. Okay. And then when we come out of this loop, what we will do that, we will just, remove arrays dot remove that uh, ith index element, and then again we'll go through this, and then int I is equal to 0, I less than m plus I list of integer list is equal to arrays dot get arrays dot get, and then for int j column list, if j is greater than, if j is less than global min is equal to j. Okay, and then at the end here we are going to return global max minus global min. So what we are doing here, that we are, first of all, we are finding the global max and the index of that list where this global max is occurring, and we are returning that list, so that that is out of consideration, and from that other lists we are finding the global min, and we are returning the global max minus global min. So if we run this, oh, we have to use this. Okay, so it's saying, okay, so it's not m, it's rather m minus 1. Okay, so here is a problem, that index of max is, when it is taking minus 1. So let me do it like this: j is greater than equal to. Okay, so it's running now. So all these sample test cases are passing. Now if we submit this, so it's showing an error. And what is that error? Minus 1 out of bounds for this length. J is correct. So to solve this problem, we should do a run from this only. Okay. So now it's giving us the wrong input. Okay. So this is giving us the wrong answer. So many cases are passing, but even then, this is giving us the wrong answer. In what sense 1 minus 5? Is it 1 minus 5 that it is giving us as the wrong answer? So let's just print this system.out.println this. Oh, oh, index of max is index of max. Hmm. Okay. So the value of the global max and the index of max is 0. Take 3, 4. Global min. Oh, so this is the mistake that we are doing. So this approach is also not correct. We have to find one different approach. So let's, just get rid of this. All this is making this problem a little complicated. So the thing that we need to find out is, what is the maximum difference? And that maximum difference can be from one of the mins in one of the list, and it could be from one of the max of any of the list, any of the different list. So first time we are getting this, global max and global min. And then when we come across any list, we find that, what is the current min? Current min is list dot get of 0, and then the current max is list dot get of list dot size minus 1. So this is going to give us the current min or current max. Okay. Okay. So this is going to give us the current min and current max. Okay, and we declare one variable here called max diff. Max diff is equal to -1. And then what we will do that now we will be checking max diff is equal to math dot max diff is equal to max diff into global. So from the last list, and this time we are going from the first list. So this is from the global max is coming from the list at the 0th position, and it is the max of that. So global max minus current min. Okay, and we are putting it in the max diff variable. Okay, and then global max is equal to math dot max. So last max is greater or the current max is greater. So we'll take this global max and the current max like this. And then again we'll do max diff is equal to math dot max diff. Okay. And max diff into current max minus, so global min is coming from the last list. So we are doing this, and again we can, upgrade our global min as well. Global min is equal to math dot min of current min global min like this. And then at the end here, we are returning this like this. Okay, we'll run this. So cannot find symbol. Which symbol it is not able to find? Current min is the finest thing. Max diff is there. Math.max. It's not max diff, it's max. And here also you have to write max. Okay. Okay, so there is some problem. And this problem is global max. Max diff global max minus current min. Hmm. Why 4 should be there, and here what is the other thing? 4 is there. 4, how come 4 is there? 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. Okay. Global max minus current min 5 minus 3 and 4 minus 1. It should be like this. Correct. So what is the problem here? List get list dot size minus 1. So this is giving the current max, current min, and then math dot max max diff global max minus current min. Global max minus current min. So if you do global max minus global max is coming from the previous list. Okay. And minus current min, that is also correct. So this should give us and max diff current max minus global min. Correct. Okay, not this. We need max diff. We need to return max diff. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. So this is one optimal solution to solve this problem. Okay. Let me know if you have any doubt anywhere. We will, I'll definitely answer those doubts in the comments. And please post your appreciations. Please post your encouragements in the comment. And I'll be very happy if I, get those things. With this, I'm ending this video. Thanks a lot. Best wishes.